Good morning, students. Today you are going to learn about a very important topic of English grammar, subject verb agreement. Students, it is very important for a verb to agree with its subject in number and person. A singular subject takes a singular verb while a plural subject takes a plural verb. For example, in the sentence the lion roars, the verb roars is singular. Why? Because the subject lion is singular. In the next sentence, the lions roar, the verb roar is plural because the subject is plural. Now, there are certain rules which must be kept in mind. So, our first rule is if two or more singular subjects are joined by and, they ordinarily take a plural verb. Example, Nisha and Yami are friends. In this sentence, there are two singular subjects. One, Nisha, second, Yami. And these two singular subjects are joined by and, so they will take a plural verb, that is are. Our next rule is when two subjects are joined by and but they express one idea, the verb is singular. Example, bread and milk is his only food. In this sentence, although there are two subjects, one bread, second milk, and these two subjects are joined by the word and, but this thing, bread and milk, it expresses one idea. Okay, so the verb is singular here. Second example is time and tide waits for none. Some more examples are rice and curry is his favorite dish, or slow and steady wins the race. The next rule states that the names of certain diseases and certain branches of knowledge ending in S takes a singular verb. Example, physics is a difficult subject, or mathematics is my favorite subject. Measles is an infectious disease. In this sentence, the word measles, which is a disease, although it is ending in S, but it will take a singular verb. Next we have a collective noun takes a singular verb. Example, the fleet was quite big. The jury is finally complete. So in these sentences, the words fleet and jury are collective nouns and they take a singular verb. Next we have when a plural noun denotes some specific quantity or amount considered as a whole, the number is singular. Example, 4 years is a long time. Although students, 4 years is a plural subject, but in this sentence it is being considered as a single unit, as a whole. So it will take singular verb. Another example is 3000 rupees is a big amount. Our next rule is some nouns which are plural in form but singular in meaning takes a singular verb. Example, good news has come this morning. We can't say good news have come, okay? The wages of sin is death. Now students, our next rule is much and a little takes a singular verb. Example, much has already been said. Only a little of the work has been completed. Many, a few, several, both take a plural verb. Let's look at the sentences. Many of these students were absent yesterday. A few of these houses are still vacant. Both of the guests have arrived. Several of the shops are closed today. Now students, this is a very important rule, so please pay attention. When two subjects are joined by as well as, with, together with, the verb agrees with the first subject. Example, the captain with all the players is present in the ground. In this sentence, there are two subjects. One is captain, another one is players. And these two subjects are joined by the word with. So the verb will agree with the first subject, which is captain. Since the captain is singular, so our verb will also be singular. In the next sentence, all the players with the captain are present in the ground. Let's understand here why we have used the verb are here. Because in this sentence, the first subject is players, which is plural. And we have learnt that when two subjects are joined by the word as well as with or together with, the verb agrees with the first subject. Here the subject is plural, so the verb will also be plural. Now our next rule is when two subjects are joined by either or neither nor, the verb agrees with the second subject. Example, either Rita or Mani is to be blamed. In this sentence, there are two subjects. First is Rita and second is Mani. So students, in this sentence, these two subjects are joined by either or. So the verb will agree with the second subject. And here the second subject, which is Mani, is singular. So our verb will also be singular. Look at the second sentence. Neither the moon nor the stars are shining. In this sentence, the second subject is stars, which is plural. So our verb will also be plural. Now student, let's understand this rule. When two subjects are joined by not only but also, the verb agrees with the second subject. Example, not only Kishan, but I am also responsible for the loss. In this sentence, there are two subjects. One is Kishan, another one is I. But since the subjects are connected by the words not only but also, the verb agrees with the second subject, which is I. Now we have another rule which says each, either, neither, everyone, one of the takes a singular verb. Example, each of these sisters sings well. Either of the two candidates is perfect for the job. Neither of the two plans is suitable. Everyone knows the secret now. One of the new employees has helped me to complete the project. In all these sentences, the word each, either, neither, everyone, one of the take singular verb. Now students, this is a rule which you have to understand very carefully. If the two nouns refer to the same person or thing, the verb is singular. The examples will make it more clear. The poet and novelist is no more. Here there are two nouns, one is poet and second one is novelist. And these two nouns refer to the same person, that is only one person. The same person is the poet also and he is the novelist also. So we have used the verb is here. Our next example is the producer and director of this movie is an eminent social worker. In this sentence also, the nouns producer and director refer to the same person. Okay, so we have used the singular verb here. If it would have been the producer and the director of this movie, then we would have used the verb are here. So the sentence would have been like this: the producer and the director of this movie are eminent social workers. So students, I have discussed all the rules about subject verb agreement. If you have any doubt in this topic, you can ask. Thank you.